Hello people, we're going to show you another glitch. Two of them actually. It's a 2-in-1. Alright, today we were just only goofing off again, but and then we was doing the glitch from Halo 3, the torrent thing. See, look, I got on. And for the work, you need to turn to a forge ball. And now I am in the other side. Press the D-pad, man. This isn't working. Look.
First strike.
You want to do that, man?
Suicide.
And there goes teabagging his own self. And here goes this other cool glitch. It was the coolest glitch that I ever saw. Actually, what we ever saw. He was just goofing around with the turret. You see, look, he has a other turret, but the turret that I'm holding is still there. You see, look, it's like unlimited turrets, unlimited, people. Yep, I tried to get in the tournament, but my brother killed me, and then he started teabagging me on my head.
Revenge.
And I got revenge. Well, that's all.
Game over.